Around the world, black widow spiders are notorious for their dark color and bright red hourglass figure on their abdomen. We examine this spider here in its natural habitat, a family home. The spider's long, thin legs and small body allow it to move easily within its environment. For this species of Lego black widow spider specifically, this was accomplished by using 2 motors and wheels to help the robot maneuver efficiently. Along with this, a silver ball was placed in the back. This helped with guiding the rest of the spider's body when turning. At this moment, we are witnessing an encounter between the black widow spider and a dog. Although many humans may fear that their pets might be bit by a black widow spider, this fear is quite unnecessary. Black widow spiders prefer prey that are much smaller in size. Usually, small insects fall victim. In fact, often black widow spiders will not attack unless provoked. In order to show this within the species of the Lego black widow spider, we created a touch sensor to activate a motor which enabled a latch to drop down and capture a victim. A small string was attached to the latch, capturing the victim, and a spindle released more string, formulating a web around it. Along with this, to ensure that the black widow spider could maneuver freely within its natural environment and not bump into any obstacles, we attached an ultrasonic sensor in the front. The ultrasonic sensor enables the black widow spider to detect any items within 10 centimeters in front of it. When this occurs, a signal is ran through to the motors, telling the wheels to turn to avoid the obstacle. Due to the fact that black widow spiders are more active in dark lit areas, 2 light sensors were placed on both sides of the robot. When the light sensors were hit with an ambiance that was less than 40, a signal would run to the motors, telling it to turn in the direction with less light. Unlike other spiders that will form their webs out in the open, the shy black widow spider will thrive in cool and dark places like basements and garages. In these dark places, black widow spiders will weave their web and suspend from the ceiling, awaiting prey. The prey that are most vulnerable to the black widows are small insects. The spider is most feared because its venom is said to be up to 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake's. Once an insect has been caught, the black widow spider will puncture the prey with her fangs and administer digestive enzymes to the corpse. These enzymes allow the spider to liquefy her prey and to suck up the remains of the body. We are witnessing here the touch sensor has been activated, the arms dropped, and a web has caught the victim. In this specific species of black widow spiders, light sensors were used to detect different levels of ambiance. The back portion of the spider has a touch sensor, which when activated would release a motor to capture its prey. The front of the spider, formerly known as the eyes, are made up of an ultrasonic sensor. This sensor allows the spider to detect any object that might be in its course. These sensors, along with the motors, allow the robot to move autonomously in the real world.
Ew, a spider!